Welcome to AutoWorld of Conway, where today we'll be previewing probably one of the nicest 76 Ford Broncos on the market right now. Not saying that as a hyperbole or as a salesperson, but having been around Broncos and classic cars for over 20 years now, this I put in the top 2 or 3 that we've seen or had the experience with here at our dealership. So this is the one that you want. So we're going to spend some time today to go around, to understand exactly what she has to offer and how you can picture her in your driveway. Finished in blue over Wimbledon White. You've heard people say everything's been touched or is new. Sometimes they exaggerate. Not this time. See a 23-gallon tank in the back. A lot of custom touches on this Bronco. We'll try to highlight some of those. There's a lengthy description on our website, as well as full restoration photos from start to finish. And you can understand exactly the high level of quality with which this Bronco was finished. So hiding under the hood is one of the elements that make this Bronco just so special. So Ford Explorer Roller 5-liter high output engine. We could probably spend 10 minutes discussing only the engine. But that's not necessary. Painless wiring harness, OBDII connector. See vintage heat and air, high flow air breather, hydro boost brakes, an absolute must when you're running off-road oversized tires, ceramic coated headers, vintage air, oversized radiator cooling fans. Again, quality just oozes every aspect of this build. Coastal Auto Restoration, specializing in Broncos. I've seen many of their products here locally in the Myrtle Beach, Conway area. See the hood shocks. There's custom brackets. What a nice touch. Lower this. And the paint, interesting enough, not only is it a high quality paint job, it's also been ceramic coated. And lay a rag on the hood and it just rolls off. Custom top with tinted windows. Nice touch to help keep you cool. You can see just how laser straight this body is. Speaking of body, this is a original Ford body. This is not a reproduction Dynacore body. We've had some of those as well. There is a difference. Matching door panels and interior. It's tough to translate into the video, but these doors open and close so nicely. All the rubber, weather stripping, welting, all been replaced. Inside, you see the family roll cage for safety. You have 3-point safety harnesses in the front and the rear. Can't do that with one hand. Go to the other side, might be easier. And this carpet, this is not your normal cut pile carpet. This is luxurious padded deep pile. Twin stick, transfer case. Again, the attention to detail is everywhere you look. Stainless steel fasteners. So obviously this is a cut Bronco with fender flares. Not sure if that chassis is powder coated or painted, but it is. Nice Bilstein shocks. US mags. 32-inch tires. 2-inch body lift. All 5 tires. Hopefully you're able to catch a glimpse of just how nice the paint is. Go back under, I'll video the undercarriage as well, but just while we're outside. Limit cable here. Better shot of that family roll cage. So my neighbor is burning a large pile of brush. You see it looks like it's snowing, but ash is raining from the sky. Not much I can do about that. Rhinoline, tastefully done. The belly, that's also good sound deadening material. See this top. LED lights throughout on the interior, including the courtesy lamps. We'll latch this back because we will go for that test drive. This back window unrolls, rolls here, down. We'll leave that up for now. Can't do it single-handedly. It's all right. There we go. Nice and easy, these doors open and close. I think they were this nice from the factory. You'll see 5,200 miles on this restoration, so still very fresh. But the greatest part, if you've ever restored a vehicle, you know that the first 2,000 miles are the worst, meaning the shakedown period. Anything that needed to be done or retorqued, all that's been done. So you can drive with confidence, not have to worry about anything. Nice touch here with the carpet sills. Inside, again, the vintage AC, retro sound, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM radio. Tilt steering. This wooden wheel is nice as well. All the gauges integrated there. Let's do this. It's 105 heat index today. And one thing that I noticed, the air conditioning, it sounds silly, but it's instantly cold, which is a big benefit on a day like today. So this is a sliding glove box. Obviously when you have a roll bar, you can't open it all the way, so it slides over to reveal your OBDII port for diagnostics. Also the VIN trim tag here, and I have confirmed it does match the VIN stamping on the frame. Go up, over, latch, speakers here. Note that you would need an ashtray. So choose. Wipers, nice and smooth. It's got the cover here. Horn. Now this has got a 4R70W overdrive transmission. Let's do this. Let's go for a ride. Chrome Molly axles, 456, matching transfer case and rear end, 31 spline gears. suspension, everything has been done. This is our main dealership. My 20th year here, AutoWorld of Conway. We have several Broncos at the moment. This adding to our collection. It's so nice, fuel injection. You just touch the key and instantly she fires. Really makes for an effortless driving experience. Great sound, true dual exhaust. I'm not sure if you're picking up on that. So you can see how true the steering is. It's 60 miles an hour. Here we go. There's overdrive. The steering is so responsive and tight. One of the things that's difficult to translate in driving videos is how a vehicle handles and performs. The seats exceptionally comfortable, new foam, fabric, as clear as you would expect. But as far as the comfort is outstanding. I've got the back windows still rolled up, so you hear a little bit of ambient noise, but no significant wind leaks or noises in the windows, no rattles. All the chrome is so nice. More time I look, everywhere I go on this truck, I see the extra level that was taken. So when I search for a vehicle personally, as I have a collection of my own, several of them powered by the same driveline. But when I look to buy a car, one of the things I look for is the car that someone restored for their wife or their spouse. And that's exactly what this Bronco is. So you know that an extra amount of time and care was taken to make sure that there would be no issues or problems, very well sorted, and the best of the best. So speaking of that, let's go back and take a video of the undercarriage.